Okay, so a little update. So far I have the motherboard back in the computer. I haven't installed the video card yet. I'm still kind of figuring out the cable management as I go along. Power supply is not even installed yet. It is a modular power supply, which is kind of handy for this, but you can probably see these sort of ugly, um, like German flag colored wires going from my fan controller here. And what I was actually able to do is I installed one of the Excalibur fans right down here where there's that filtered intake, and right above that I actually was able to finagle it so that there's another Excalibur on top pulling air up. So this is going to be the fan pulling air initially into the case down here, and then um, the other one's going to help kind of reinforce that airflow and bring that fresh air into the rest of the case. We're just focusing on that. It's just kind of directing the airflow, and I was able to take that third Excalibur fan and just put it back here. That's the one that I don't know if you can see it from here, but it has that Silverstone fan filter on it. There it is. So I potentially have kind of a 1.5 intake fan solution here, and then another whole intake on the back here. So yeah. So and again, these are really good high airflow fans, so it should help pull some good air into the case. Right now I'm almost done installing all the LED fans up here. Hopefully that comes out well on my camera phone. And I'm looking forward to seeing how it looks, and hopefully I'll have a full working computer soon. So yeah, that's the update.